Hi, it's Brett, and I'm back with another recipe. This one today is it's a really tasty, tangy, tropical salad, and it's got this fantastic combination which you wouldn't normally think of, which is having a tropical fruit like pawpaw with onions and avocado. And so it's a real surprise when you eat this, and when you're preparing it, you might think, "Oh, this is going to taste weird," but it's unbelievable. So check it out. Let's just run through what we've got here. This large pawpaw, this has got to be yellow to be ripe and ready. Two large avocados, a couple of oranges, a red onion, and to the side we've got lemon and garlic for the dressing. Okay, so we're just going to start by preparing the avocados. I'm really lucky I got two perfect avocados here. In fact, they're so big, I'm going to use 1.5. And all you do is peel those out of the skins, and then we're just going to slice these into sort of C-shaped slices, and then you just place those around on the plate. A bit more delicate than me maybe. And then we'll do this, basically the same thing with the pawpaw. We're just got to get the seeds out. That can be a bit tricky, so I'm just scooping those into a bucket there to one side, and make sure you get all the seeds out. Now you can decide whether you peel this in halves. Depending on how ripe it is, it could break up in your hands, which it does a little bit here, or you peel it as a whole, but it's a little bit hard to hang on to and peel these things. They can get a bit slippery. So we'll persevere with that. And then again, we'll just slice these into C-shaped slices and put them in between the avocado. So this is really just a layout. If you're doing this for several people, you can just put it onto one large platter and then people can share it. Alright, so oranges. This is incredible flavour, mixing these fruits and vegetables together. So we'll just chop those into little wedges, and again just place it in between so you get a nice mixture of the three. Okay, and now we're just going to place on. So I've used baby spinach here, but you could also use your rocket leaves or a bit of mesclun. Now finely slice this onion and sprinkle it over the top. Now this will seem like a lot of onion, but believe me, it just disappears into this salad. So with some garlic and onion to make a dressing, so simple. Just squeeze the onion, squeeze the lemon, equal amount of olive oil, and then just crush in the garlic and a bit of pepper. And that's a really simple salad dressing, but man, is that delicious with the raw garlic, the lemon juice, olive oil. And it just makes this go down amazing. This is just an unbelievable flavoured salad. Extremely filling as well. You would think it's not very filling, but man, you have a plate full of this and you're just really satisfied. Cheers.